HotBrandsWholesale.com is back again, and today we're going to talk about polos. And about polos is what a great deal if you purchase this lot that you're going to get. It is 12 polos, men's. You have Calvin Klein, C.H. Bass and Company, English Laundry, and let's see exactly what you're gonna get. Okay, in these lots you're gonna receive 3 of these green English Laundry, various sizes. This one here, extra large. You got a medium, you got an extra large. So those 3. Moving on to these awesome Calvin Klein striped polos, the Liquid Touch, very nice. Extra large, we got another extra large here. We have a extra large, and this one is an extra large. So you're gonna get 4 Calvin Klein polos that are extra large in this lot. Now, sizes may vary depending. This one here is your G.H. Bass and Company powder blue stretch cooling fabric sunblocker and wicking polo. Awesome feel of the fabric here. Be nice to wear on a nice day out and about. Can't beat that. Moving on. So you'll get one of those in the bundle. You'll get one of these in the bundle. You'll get a black English Laundry. This one right here is an extra large. Oh man, that's sharp. Throw that in the bottle. Moving on. Another G.H. Bass and Company. It's like a burnt orange, reddish, with a hint of black in there. Again, cooling fabric, it's stretchy. It's an extra large, and it's going to be yours if you want to pick it up, because this bundle is awesome. Including these 2 G.H. Bass and Company polos. They are black. They're going to be multiple sizes, but the style is going to stay the same. So, a dozen polos at a great deal. What more can you ask for men's shirts? We are on Instagram, we are on Facebook, and you're probably watching this video on YouTube. Please like the video, share it, and subscribe to see all the new features, all the new videos at HotBrandsWholesale.com. We appreciate you watching.